Yes, which period is now? First period?
It's Malayalam.
Again, it's Malayalam.
Right.
That's why they didn't join. But yesterday you will had a one.
Ah, yeah, that's not right.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry to my son, my dad's number. So I will just get the message and I will
Okay. On your camera both Hanan, Zaira. Fatima Zaira, I didn't get.
Ma'am, I am not there in Malayalam.
Okay, okay, wait a minute. I think Zaira, did you send your photo to me? I shared the message your mom, but I didn't get the reply from your mom.
Yeah, ma'am. This sent to my mother. It is different.
So say again tomorrow. Otherwise, we will never get the ID card. So actually, these we are collecting these photos for that ID card. So on UAE Meet, you will get that one. So yesterday was that last day, and there is one more day so there. Please share today itself. Zaira. Hi Anan, Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, good morning. Every day we have the step of assembly. Okay. So even though the first period, it's Malayalam, you just join to the G6 live class and attend the step of assembly. And after that, you can leave back to the your concerned classroom. Okay. So don't forget this. Just convey this message to the other students also, like Yashnail, Anita, and yeah, wow, the Khadija. Okay. So that's the important thing. So you have to join on the assembly time properly. Okay. You have the spirit now, Hana? Malayalam?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you can go and rejoin in the class. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, bye, Zaira. And don't forget to convey this message to them, Zaira. And okay. And just call your mother to and ask the photo.
Correct. This is sent to today. I send it to you.
Okay. So I think you are alone in your house.
No,
Who are the other family members?
my auntie, uncle. So,
Okay.
that's okay. So can I leave?
Okay, yes, you can.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Bye. Have a good
Bye. Thank you, Ra. Like this.